If you're experiencing regular bloating, burping, feeling deficient, anemia, issues with your number twos or heartburn, it could be low stomach acid. When stomach acid is low, this makes it easy for harmful bacteria and yeast to overgrow in the gut, which can cause these symptoms and a host of other symptoms as well. Another major issue with low stomach acid is that it prevents your food from being digested properly, so you're not going to be extracting those nutrients from your food. Find out how you can increase your stomach acid by reading the caption below.